Good morning, good morning, good morning. I am not in today, but it is still September 22nd, 2020, and take a look at the assignment and get that done for Friday's class. First thing I'd like you to do before, since I'll be getting an organizational thing, is I'd like you to open up your Test Wizard account, testwizard.com. Okay, and please add this code that you see here. You can pause the um, screencastify while you do it, and then I'm going to move on now in just a second. Okay, so you pause the screencast, the code is in. I'm going to check on that later today, so make sure all 27 of you are in. This observation inference you've done, I think, with Ms. Bell, but it is still worth going over with me. We'll have a couple of little activities with this on Friday, and one that I'm going to attach this to that we will go over on Friday. So just want to give you my own definition for it. Start to move a little faster here. An observation uses one or more of the five senses to gather information. So it's a noting or recording of facts. It is not something that you think. It's something that you're observing in the sense. You observe colors. You observe what's going on. All right? So a noting or recording of facts is an observation, while an inference is based off of an observation. So an interpretation of an observation based on prior knowledge and experience. All right? So you observe something, and then from the observations, you make an inference. It's cloudy out today. Ooh, it might rain. Generally, we don't say it's sunny out like it is right now as I sit at this desk and say it's going to rain, because you have prior knowledge and experience for that situation. Notice you don't really make an inference if you don't have any experience. All right? Laboratory exercises, things that you do in lab, we use observations only, not inferences. Inferences may be used when you form conclusions because you are explaining things. All right? So an observation and an inference. All right? So our first little task, and I'll put this back up on Friday, I want you to take a look. All right? This will be, I will play this all the way through. I'm not going to put up the questions to this, but this is a picture I'd like you to take a look and concentrate on. We'll put it up for about 30 seconds again on Friday. And then I'm going to ask you some questions based on this picture. All right, then as we move on. But what I'd like you to do is take a look at the 7 or 8 questions that I've attached to this screencast, to this classroom. All right, submit when you're done. Open a Google Doc and choose your answers, which means you're going to have to print them out. Number 1, A, number 2, B, so forth and so on. Submit it to me. I would do it by classroom, but since you won't, I can't exactly assign it to you, I won't. So this picture, scan at it for a few questions on Friday, and definitely the assignment that I'd like to see done. Even if you have a little difficulty, it gets sciencey. All right, so a lot of this period will be an early lunch for you today. All right, but get this done and get that done and shared with me during this period, the assignment that's going on. All right, plenty. That's only about 20 minutes or so worth of work. All right, take care. I will see you on Friday.